What's the meaning of countless? Countless. Countless.
Countless. Countless. The word countless means too numerous to be counted or too many to quantify. It implies a vast, immeasurable quantity or number that is beyond enumeration. This can refer to anything from the stars in the sky to the grains of sand on a beach. When something is described as countless, it denotes a sense of awe and wonder at the sheer magnitude of whatever is being referred to. It suggests a level of incomprehensibility that defies quantification and invites us to contemplate the infinite.